friends, here's the comment caused me to do this video. If you are requesting something from me, definitely I will do it. Wait, make sure to drop a comment down below. What should I make next? Today's comment is about Amazing Spider-Man Webshooter. Here is my Amazing Spider-Man Webshooter that easy to build, like cardboard, papers, bottle lids, springs, popsicle stick, toothpicks, like cheap things. Amazing Spider-Man Webshooter, let's do this. Okay, first things first, let's build the general shape of the Webshooter. Now I'm paste the side pieces to our general shape. For this top block, I'm used this popsicle stick. First, I'm cut the line around the popsicle stick and snap it off like this. Now I'm paste this tiny block made out of popsicle stick using super glue. Now I'm get another piece of popsicle stick and paste it just like this. Then I put more super glue layers around those popsicle stick for stroke. After I make a small hole using push pin like this. I'm use this piece of duct tape to attach this trigger to the Webshooter. You need to put more super glue layers for strong of duct tape. Also, I'm attach this piece of duct tape to behind of the trigger. Now you can see if you pull down the trigger, it's automatically come back up. For the barrel, I'm used this cap of the platinum because it's very strong and it made out of plastic. Then I'm cut this small piece. Then I'm paste this tiny ring made out of tissue box cardboard behind of the barrel. For this green color light system, I'm use this small cardboard piece and cut 4 rectangles like this. Now I'm color this small piece of paper using green color. After I paste this green color paper to our piece of cardboard. Then I make that piece of cardboard like a box. Finally, I paste the barrel and the light system to our Webshooter. It's time to color the Webshooter from blue color. Coloring part is also done. Now you can see I'm adding new part to my Webshooter. The new part is I'm adding velcro to my Webshooter for wear it to my hand. I'm also put fishing line to the hole I made earlier. From that fishing line you can pull down the trigger. For this big centerpiece, I'm used this bottle cap. Now I'm painting from red color. Now I'm glued that bottle cap to center of the Webshooter. It's good time to make the bullet now. For the bullet, I'm used this toothpick. Now I'm glued this piece of paper and roll up it around the toothpick. I'm add more super glue layers another time, just like this. Now I'm paste this spring to the tip of the bullet. Your bullet's range will be decided by your spring. If you want more range, you need to use long spring. This is very important thing to bullet. Now I'm attach this magnet to bullet just like this. Yes, it stick to metal objects. Also I'm paste this white thread to my bullet. Now I made this web cartridge using tissue box cardboard and paint it using blue color. For that, I'm use these small detail pieces. Then paste it using super glue. This is how to reload the bullet. First, insert all the string through the barrel. Then load the bullet and lock it from the trigger just like this. This is how I am insert the web to the web cartridge. First, roll up all the string around the pen. Then insert the string to web cartridge from pen. Okay friends, Amazing Spider-Man Webshooter is also done. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the thumbs up button and share for your friends.